Hello friends, in this video we are going to take our discussion forward on matrix multiplication and we will discuss multiplication of matrices of some higher order. Okay, so let us start with a square matrix of order 2, two square matrices of order 2. Okay, so let us say we have a matrix A is equal to 1, 2, 2 and 5. This is square matrix A of order 2 and B is equal to 5 minus 2 minus 2 1. So the first thing that we always need to check whenever we go for matrix multiplication is whether the number of columns of the first matrix is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. Here they are same, so they are eligible for matrix multiplication. Now, as they are square matrices of same order, so there is no need to check, but still you always keep this habit to check this condition. So the resultant matrix will be the product matrix. Let's say P will have order 2 cross 2. Okay, 2 cross 2. Now, let us see how this thing works out. 1, 2, 2, 5. This is the first matrix and this is the second matrix. Now before you watch this video, I want you to check out the previous video on matrix multiplication where we discussed multiplication of a row matrix with a column matrix and the result. So that is how this thing takes place. Okay, the matrix multiplication operation it carries out. So here how this matrix multiplication will be done is that this two elements, you treat this as a row matrix. You treat this as a row matrix. This 1 cross 2 is first multiplied with 5 and minus 2. You treat it as a column matrix. Okay, you treat it as a column matrix. So how it is done? Then this row matrix is multiplied with this column matrix minus 2, 1. You treat it as a column matrix. Then this 2 cross 5, this row matrix, the second row, you treat it as a row matrix, is multiplied with this column matrix 5 minus 2. Again this row matrix 2, 5 is multiplied with this column matrix minus 2, 1. So first 1 cross 2, 5 minus 1. Okay, 1 cross 2, 5 and minus 2. Okay, so this 1 it comes here. Okay, so this 1 it comes here, this 2 it comes here, and we multiply it and then we add the result. So it gives us 5 minus 4, which is equal to 1. So this gives us the first element of the product matrix, which is 1. Next, this 1, 2, this row matrix, it is multiplied with minus 2 and 1. Okay, okay, the second column matrix minus 2, 1. So same thing, this 1 it comes here, this 2 it comes here, cross 1, and we get the result as minus 2 plus 2, which is equal to 0. Okay, so the result is 0. the second element of the first row, 1 0. Next, this row matrix 2 and 5, the operation with the first row matrix is over, 1 2 is over. Next is 2 5, this second row matrix, this is the second row. So now this comes into play, 2 and 5. First it will be multiplied with the first column matrix, okay, the first column of the second matrix be 5 and minus 2, in the same way as we did with 1 and 2. So it will be 5 and minus 2. So here this 2 will come here, this 5 will be here. So it will be, the result will be 10, 2 into 5 10, and 5 into minus 2 minus 10. The result will be again 0. So this gives us the element number 3 of the second row at the intersection of the second row and the first column, okay, 0. Again, this 2 5, this row matrix is multiplied with the second column of the second matrix, minus 2 and 1, okay. So this and this, minus 2 and 1. So this gives us minus 4 and 5. These two are added. Minus 4 plus 5, which is equal to 1. So this. So we get a matrix 1 0 0 1, which is a second order unit matrix. Second order unit matrix. So you understand how this matrix multiplication is taking place. You treat each of these rows 1 2 2 5 as a row matrix, as an individual row matrix. Each of these rows as a row matrix, and each of these columns of the second matrix as a column matrix. Then you perform multiplication of these individual rows with each of the two columns. 1 2 is first multiplied with 5 minus 2 and then with minus 2 1, okay. Then the second row matrix is multiplied with the individual column matrix, the individual column which we consider as column matrix, 5 minus 2 and minus 2 1. Then the result, the product terms are added and we get the respective elements of the resultant product matrix, okay. So this is how the matrix multiplication operation takes place, okay. Now we can also do the same thing for a 3 cross 3 matrix. There we will have to consider 1 cross 3 row matrix and a 3 cross 1 column matrix, and we have to do the same thing, okay.